it's Marian. So today I'm stopping by Home Depot and Lowe's and see what they have in their houseplant section. We're almost nearing February and spring is knocking around the corner. So we'll see if they started bringing out more spring items and what kind of plants they currently have in stock. So let's go. Here we are at Home Depot, and they do have a lot of gardening items out already, as you can see. But let's head straight to the houseplant section. This one is a unique looking plant. I don't know what exactly it is. It looks like a peperomia. It looks like a ficus. This is the tag on it. And they also have this, a philodendron that's in this contraption. It doesn't say what type of philodendron it is. Over here they have some ferns, a crocodile fern, and they have a lot of plants, as you can see. I think the one is coffee, some snake plants, crotons, and some syngoniums, Dieffenbachia. This one looks really good. And more syngoniums. And over here we got more peperomias. This one doesn't have a name, but it looks so unique. Got more ferns, golden pothos, some dracaenas, more crotons. This looks really good. And some syngoniums. And here are some monsteras, and you know the deal. Whenever we see monsteras, we try to spot for any sport variegated ones, but they're not here right now. Got some peace lilies, snake plants, syngoniums for $12.98, dracaenas, syngoniums. This looks pretty. I really like that one. They have a peperomia pep for $5. Tempted to get it. Some more of that Dieffenbachia, syngoniums. We got some Audrey in this really nice basket pots for $20. And they got the burgundy too in those nice baskets. And this philodendrons. Really nice looking ones. And, ooh, what is this? Alocasia cucullata. Oh, that's really pretty. I thought it was interiors at first. Look at that. That is a pretty plant. That is a pretty plant. And this one is for $30. That is a pretty plant. Some large snake plants. Birds of paradise. More monsteras, ZZs, snake plants. Here we got the succulents. Got some Valentine's Day leftovers. And they got the bromeliads. The variegated one looks really good. Let's see. Yeah, look at that one. And this one too. More snake plants, fiddles, majesty palm, fiddles. That's a pretty massive leaf. Look at that. Begonia that is flowering. So this one is $5 and this one is $17. So you're just paying for the pot. Essentially it's the same size. They got their box out and some fake plants. So this one is the macrame ficus microcarpa. And this one is the variegated ficus benjamina. And they also have the non-variegated version, also for $30. They don't have much on hanging plants. Like that plant, it could be a Gisenia, but it is just a golden pothos. And Syngonium, 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 Syngonium.
So I just left Home Depot. They did have a good selection of plants out, and there were like 2 or 3 plants that I would consider uncommon, kind of like the alocasia that I saw, which I initially thought was an anthurium, and it cost about $30, which is not a bad price, but it's not in my budget right now, so I didn't buy it. But hopefully I'll see it in the growing season so I can buy it and have it outside, because right now I also don't have any space inside the home to be adding pretty large plant, and that was kind of large. But I did get one plant I didn't think I was gonna get any, is this one, the peperomia watermelon. As I mentioned in previous videos, I'm taking a chance on peperomias this year, and since this one was only like $4.98 when I picked it up, I thought, you know what, why not? It was the only one, and I've never really seen watermelon peperomia this cheap. But when I went to pay for it, it was actually a lot cheaper. It was $3.88. With tax, it was like $4.12, but still not bad. But it was so windy just walking back to my car. I already lost like 3 leaves. So we'll see what happens with this one. Hopefully it's not gonna die on me, because compared to other peperomias, this could be a very finicky plant. But we'll see how well it does in my care. And this is kind of like officially the first plant that I bought in 2022. So yeah, that's kind of exciting. But anyways, we're headed to Lowe's now, so let's go now.
This is where they usually have their plants, but it's empty. I think they might have moved it in there. Okay, so they jammed everything in here. So let's see what they have. Okay, so they have the peperomias, and I don't know what this fern is, and syngoniums. Okay, do you do this as well in your garden centers and you see like an overwatered plant and you dump it out for them? Because I feel bad for the plants. And tomatophyllum, lime, and they got ivies in this hanging planters. It's $13. Snake plants, this, syngoniums, really nice neon pothos over there, and some of these dried grass. Look at that really large tree. They're selling that here. I wonder who would buy that though. And you got heartleaf philodendron, golden pothos or jade pothos, scheffleris, heartleaf, dracaenas at the bottom. They really got like everything crap in here, like, but they have some android pothos, pixies, this, syngoniums, mostly golden pothos here too. This and this baby birkin, and they have like Lowe's exclusive plants, and I think it's just the pottery that's exclusive to Lowe's, not the plant. This one's a really nice aglaonema, begonias, ferns, peace lilies, victoria, syngoniums, variegated ivy. Oh, look at that. This one's pretty. Look at that. Pea tree ivy. That is so pretty. The pilea, macrotons, dracaenas, and this is that huge palm. Let's see how much it is. So I think this could be the clearance section, but as you can see, some of them, or a lot of them, just need TLC, and they're perfectly good plants. This begonia, this, this one is on clearance. It is $15.98, so it's just 50% off, so it's $8. Huh. Like this one. Bird of Paradise. Huge peace lily. They have no Hoyas, but they have this. I believe this is the Crimson Princess. It just says rubra wax plant, but they finally have Hoyas. It says compactor, but it's not a compactor. Alright, this is a spider plant, but it has a silver blue foliage and it's not variegated. Looks kind of cool. I like this one. Yeah, if you look at the babies, it's like a silver blue sheen to it, kind of like with a Cebu blue pothos.
Hopefully the lighting is not being too weird. The sun is kind of like hitting directly my face, and I have like the shades down. But so I just left Lowe's. They do have a lot of plants, but they kind of shove it all in one section. I don't really understand why they did that. So it's kind of like hard to go through the plants, but they did have some good ones. I do think Home Depot had better plants in terms of having a little bit more uncommon ones, but they did have a good selection, and I do think their clearance section is actually really great. And I think the deals are really good for the clearance section plants, because like I said, most of them only need water. If there's any plant that you saw there that is in your wish list plant or something that you want to get, go to your local Lowe's. You might find them at the clearance section. So I didn't get anything at Lowe's, thankfully, because my wallet cannot take it anymore. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please do subscribe. I come up with videos every week, and if you haven't yet, check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you, I appreciate you, take care of yourself and each other, and have a plentiful day. Bye.